What's up, guys? So working on the carport again. Today I'm going to just focus on trying to get all these 1x4s that the siding guys had hung up to attach the siding. In the last video that I did, I tore all the siding off, and so now I'm going to be ripping down all this these 1x and the plywood and get it stripped down to the rafters so we can start closing this carport in. That's what I got planned today. So what I'm figuring out is the boards. These boards are, these 1x4s are just extremely difficult to get off because they've been nailed like every 18 inches, 2 nails, 3 nails, and so they're just being a pain. So what I'm going to try to do is I've got a little sledgehammer. I'm going to go up in the attic and just try to knock all this down in one whack. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I tried a couple different techniques to get those trips down. So I ended up just deciding just to go in the attic, the top of it, just sledgehammer it down. So that's working. It's really nasty, messy. There was no way to save these wood strips like I wanted to, but that's alright. So I've got about almost half of the ceiling done. Down to the rafters, so I just gotta keep working on it. Probably gonna call it a day, gonna work on it tomorrow, so be back tomorrow. Alright, so as you can tell, I got a little more work done last night. When I said I was gonna quit, I didn't. So I worked through the night, got almost all the wood down. I've got a little bit more left to do this morning. I'm gonna try to get it knocked out before we have to run to town. As you can tell, it's a mess in here, but hey, it's working. We're getting it knocked down, so pretty excited. So it's looking good. video time lapse now. Alright, so finally got it done. Finally. Took a couple days, me just working a few hours each day, but I finally got it all ripped out to the trusses, all the wood. Yeah, I got all the nails pulled out today. Got it all cleaned up in here, as you can tell. So I'm pretty excited. A lot of work went into this, and I'm glad it's finally done. There's just a few like small things we'll have to do. Like when Bill, our contractor, gets here, I'll have to rip this step out. This rest of the rock that's right here, that the old stove is back behind there, that'll have to come out. But all that'll take just not very long to do it all. I'm glad I got it finished. Feel very accomplished. One step closer to closing the carport.